Here we go. Right. He's gone. And now... it is down here. Into the basement. Because that's where everyone wants to be. Everyone wants to be in the basement. Oh god.
Who's there?
He's not afraid, apparently. He'll hurt us, and he's not afraid of anyone anymore. And I believe him. It looks like it would be a well, I know what it looks like. You haven't seen him yet. Because... game is fun. Is he gonna come in here? Oh yes he is. Hi. Oh. Oh. Oh, that was a stupid thing to do. That was a very stupid thing to do. Up to heaven and went away. Oh, that was stupid. Is he outside? Yeah, he's there. Is he gone? Is he gone? Yeah, I've played through the game once already, so I know where this stuff is. I don't have to piss about hunting for it. My battery's gonna run out. I did it again! Ooh. No, 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 no. What am I doing? What? Lockers. Hide in the lockers, hide in the lockers, hide in the lockers. Go away. Go away. Go away. Please leave. Is he gone? I think he's gone. Battery? No, there's a battery, and that is very pleasant. Nice to meet you. Oh, that's the locked door. Wow, I have a lot more batteries than I normally do. And if I remember, the lever is in here. I'm gonna close that door because I don't trust it. Don't like leaving doors open behind me. And that is that. I just need to get back up. Oh, another battery. I need to go back up and push the button. I'm gonna slowly. Oh, he's not there. He is there. He is there. He is there now. He is there. Shit. Shit. Fucking. Reload my batteries. So reload the batteries. Reloading my batteries. There he is. No. No, he's... No, he searched the one right next to me. I'm a ghost. Boo. Yeah. I'm a ghost. Boo. To that outfit you're wearing. Is he... Is he gone? No.
Who's that? I want it.
Go this way, go this way. Run! Get over it! Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Come on. Hit the button. He's still after me. Yeah. In here. Where is it? There was a file in there. I saw that. There you are. Oh. Journal. On Wednesday, 10th of February 1954, hypnotic experiments and research work was preserved in building 13 at the Mount Massive Preserve in Colorado, using the following subjects: a post-hypnotic of the night before, pointed fingers. You were asleep was enacted. Mrs. Jackson and Pierce immediately progressed to a deep hypnotic state with no further suggestion. Miss Pierce was then instructed, having previously expressed a fear of firearms in her fashion. She would use every method at her disposal to awaken Miss Jackson, now in deep hypnotic sleep, and failing this, she would pick up a nearby pistol and fire it at Miss Jackson. She was instructed that her rage would be so great that she would not hesitate to kill Jackson, failing to awaken. Miss Pierce carried out the suggestions to the letter, including firing the unloaded pistol gun at Jackson and proceeding to fall into a deep sleep. After proper suggestions were made, both were awakened and expressed complete amnesia from the entire sequence. Miss Pierce was again handed the gun, which she refused in an awakened state to pick up or accept from the operator. She expressed absolute denial that foregoing sequences had happened. Well, that's weird. I'm hypnotized. I'll take this gun and shoot you without hesitation. I'm awake. No gun. No gun. The gun is scurry. Pictures. I don't know who these pictures are of, but they're pictures of somebody. Fucking hurry up. Whoa. Oh, oh. Oh yeah, the needle. I'm... Oh.
I'm sorry, my son. I didn't want to have to do this to you. But you can't leave. Not yet. There is so much yet for you to
The witness.
Will you see it?
Can you?
Our Lord,
The wall right there, tearing his truth into
to the
the
unbelievers. The only way out of this place is the truth. Accept the gospel, and all doors will open before you.
Back up, you crazy priest! God, thought I heard a noise that wasn't coming from the game. Ah, alone. So, yeah. Not used to it. Creepy. Come on, loading screen. There we go. And we are in the asylum room, one of the rooms. We're locked in a room. A padded room with fucking bollocks all over the wall. Not literally, of course. I just mean as in, yeah, there's all these crosses. Random. Notes. The priest, Father Martin, brought me here to show me something. Thinks I'm going to be a witness for whatever batshit crazy he's trying to sell me. This Dr. Wernick is at the center of whatever went wrong here, but he died more than 10 years ago. Rest in peace, says the blood on the wall. Well, it's always good to know rest in peace is written on your wall in blood. It's always a good thing to know. He did not kill his enemy. Well then, what did he do with him? Whoa! Did he just poke him in the butt and he exploded? He just got poked in the butt and he exploded. Finally, you're gonna let me out? You're gonna let me out, good. And where did you go? Don't just stop looking at me then, you crazy bitch. Oh yeah. Here are the real crazies. That guy just walking around smashing his head into concrete walls. That seems like fun. People should do that more often. Hi, he wants to grab my face touch. Hi. Yeah, you're lovely. You're a lovely person. Hi. Hi.
That's what he said. When the cat's away.
Oh, I didn't notice that before. What the fuck? What the fuck? Yeah, I know. This is really sad. If you think about, if you put yourself in situation of these people, it's really bad. It's really sad.
The preacher asked us not to.
You two naked people,
Not here.
go away. These people. It's, oh. Hi. Go away. You have no hands. He had no hands. Is it this one? No. Which one is it? Is it this one? It's this one. Oh, that's not what I meant to do. Up here. Whew! Ew.
What the fuck is the matter with you? You weren't invited to this, you goddamn sicko!
Says you have no penis and you were... Like, fuck this place. Just, seriously, just fuck this place. Dang, keeps me lower on the list of worst things that could happen to me here. Yeah, I think that too. Well, I'm gonna have to end it here, guys. Shut up, you're sick, you're insane. I'm gonna have to end it here, guys, so... Bye-bye.